How to fix Spotify cannot play this right now error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. If you are using a Spotify, you're listening to a song and then suddenly Spotify says and gives you an error that it cannot play this right now. If you're getting this error, to fix this, there are multiple ways. So before we find out what they are, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First step, locate your Spotify app, and if you're listening to a song and it suddenly stops and gives you the error, try to restart the Spotify app. You can swipe up from the bottom of your screen, go to the background apps, and then remove it. After you remove your Spotify from the background, you can relaunch it and check if this fixes the problem. Relaunching the app fixes temporary glitches, so that should work as well. If that does not work, check for your internet connection. Sometimes the greatest and the simplest issue can be your network. So check if there is a network issue or not. You can connect to a different Wi-Fi. You can also turn on your mobile data and check if that works. So if your Wi-Fi is also not your issue, you can try a simple device restart. You can press your power button and volume button together and you'll find the restart option. Tap on restart and restart your device. And this can resolve many issues. Now the other troubleshoot that we are going to do is clearing out our app and cache. So head over to your settings. On your settings, go to apps. On the apps, find Spotify. Then there you should find storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache option and clear out the cache. After you clear out the cache, what you'll need to do is go to your Google Play Store. Then simply search for Spotify. What we'll do here is update our Spotify to the latest version, as it updates as an update often fixes bugs. If doing all of this still does not fix your issue, you can reinstall the app itself. Tap on the uninstall button and then reinstall it. And doing all of those will fix your problem, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.